In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable contact sync option in Facebook. If you want to stop Facebook from uploading contacts from your phone, this process is quick and easy. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone. Keep in mind that some menu names can look slightly different depending on your app version, but the general path is usually the same. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account before continuing. Once you're on the main screen, the next step is to open the menu. On iPhone, you'll usually find the menu icon in the bottom right corner. On Android, it's typically in the top right corner. Tap that menu icon to continue. From there, look for Settings and Privacy and tap on it to expand the options. Then select Settings. This will take you into the main area where Facebook manages account preferences, privacy controls, and connected features. Now scroll down until you see Account Center and tap on it. Account Center is where Meta places settings that can affect Facebook and sometimes related account features as well. After opening it, look for the section called Your Information and Permissions. Tap that to move forward. Inside this section, find the option labeled Upload Contacts or Contact Uploading. The exact wording may vary a little, but it refers to the setting that allows Facebook to sync contacts from your device. Tap on that option. You should now see a toggle for upload contacts. To disable contact syncing, switch that toggle to off. If Facebook asks you to confirm the change, simply confirm your choice. Once this is turned off, Facebook should stop syncing new contacts from your phone going forward. There's also an optional extra step you may want to take. If the app gives you the option to delete uploaded contacts, you can tap that to remove contacts that were already uploaded in the past. This can be useful if you want a more complete privacy cleanup instead of only stopping future syncing. After that, you're all set. Contact syncing will be disabled and your Facebook app should no longer continue uploading your phone contacts. If you ever want to change it back, you can return to the same section and re-enable the setting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.